Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I will show you how hackers hack and crash your passwords, and importantly, actually it's not crashing but crack your password, either be it Wi-Fi, talk of email accounts, Facebook and all that. So what you need to know is that one, you're not supposed to set weak passwords because they are prone to hacking. Also ensure that you use a random password generator, or use a combination of both caps, lower cases and numbers, so that you secure your account very strong. So how do hackers do it? First, when you enter your password in any database, like let's talk of Facebook database or anything you are signing up, what happens is that the password is saved as a hash. So it is converted into a hash form, and this is an algorithm which converts the password into a series of letters and numbers. And the algorithms listed here are, you can see LM, MD5, MD4 and all that kind of a thing. Now hackers are guys who can get into the system. By any chance, if they succeed, they will be able now to access the hash form of your password. So once they get the hash form of your password, they can use a software to generate or convert hash to password. Now be informed that there are over 10,000 passwords that are already known, their hash forms. So when you put very simple passwords like 1 2 3 4 5 or 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 all the way to 0, or something like I love you and such kind of thing, you find that these forms are already known, their hash forms are known. So you have to avoid that kind of a thing. Now let's check an example. For instance, there is this password, a very common password. Let's paste the hash. I already have the hash here. Once you paste the hash, you just confirm that you are not a robot, and then you crack the hash. So cracking the hash means you are converting it to the password, and then but when you are signing up, you will be changing your password, or you are signing in, you will be changing your password to a hash. So it's a two-directional thing. So let's now we have our hash. Let's convert our hash to the password. So we crack the hash, and yeah, we have the hash cracked, and here it is. So this password is the type of the algorithm that was used to create this password is MD5. The result is 1 2 3 all the way to 9. So you can see simple passwords can be guessed, and the hash type is MD5, and this is the hash that we pasted here. So the thing here is to avoid setting passwords that can be compromised and that can lead to your account being hacked. So try to avoid that. The good thing is that companies have now adapted new ways of securing your accounts. For instance, there is something called salting, and salting is a technique that is used to secure the passwords. For instance, if the hash is well known, and maybe you have entered something like Facebook, for instance, we can have this is the hash. They'll put something like if, for instance, let's talk of Twitter, they will put maybe Twitter TW, then hand something like TW, and then they will repeat this in a couple of intervals like that, so that when somebody gets the hash, they will not be able to convert 18. So it will not be a very easy process. There are also other advanced methods for hacking that are like the brute force, but then you find that now with these techniques that have already been put into use by these companies, it is getting harder for hackers to break this password. However, that does not make you very much safe, because these guys are also working day and night to ensure they break into your accounts and do all manner of things. So please ensure you use password generator. You can go to rantom.org. You'll be able to set a very strong password, and that way your account will not be hacked. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something and you'll be able to secure your accounts very safe. Subscribe so that you not miss any other upcoming video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like.